I see one thing online and it's talking about how since the pandemic young people are leaving the UK at an astronomical rate, more than ever before. Good for them. Do you know what I mean? If there's the opportunity, there's various reasons, cost of living, etc, 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 the wages not matching opportunity, yada yada yada. But one thing I was thinking about back to, and they were saying that opportunities don't match how the opportunities were once upon a time, like for our generation. But I was thinking, what was I thinking? When I was young, I was trying to solve all problems because I recognised that all problems are interlinked, and not just my problems, but the problems of others. Problems are local, like on every level. I was trying to solve everyone's problems because I realised they're interlinked. But you got to start somewhere and solve your own. Do you know what I mean? But it's only now that I'm realising this.